Also guys, don't touch the white because it is very hot. Hello my friends, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out this candle making kit. So we're going to show you guys everything that you get. So guys, this is actually pretty awesome. They give you a metal cup. It's a little interesting though. I believe. Okay, so I gotcha. Okay, so you guys can actually read the numbers from the inside. That's how they designed it. So you can go up to 550 ml. So it's all metal, and what you do is you place it on your heating pad. You then go ahead and plug this into an outlet. So here is your heating pad. This is what it looks like, guys. You have your on and off switch right here, and you place your cup on there, and you just turn it up to whatever setting you want. It goes up to 5 for heat settings. Now make sure you read your manual. There are some safety precautions and warnings. So when you get it, read your manual, please. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are mixing this up. And it is melting. Now keep in mind, I do see some smoke coming from the sides here. I read online that that is normal for the first couple uses. So keep that in mind, but you definitely want to be by this. So, you know, as you guys can see, it is rising, the smoke, and the smoke's coming from these holes. So make sure that you are watching your, you know, for the first couple times, make sure you're definitely here. You know, I recommend all times make sure you're standing around this, but as you guys can see, it's melting. It's working great as far as that. The smoke doesn't seem to be doing anything yet. It's just smoking. So yeah. But it is working though. Okay, the smoking seemed to slow up a little bit now that it's been running. We turned it off because we are good to go. So there we go. Well, works good. Now let's let it cool. Make sure you unplug everything. So don't just turn it off. Make sure you unplug it. Also, guys, don't touch the white because it is very hot. And just like that, guys, candle warmer, well, the candle mix works great for melting. Love it.